Work zone. Safety. Work zones are temporary traffic control areas where construction, maintenance, or repair work is taking place on or near the roadway. These areas may include road crews, repairing pavement, installing signs, painting lane markings, or maintaining bridges and utilities. Although work zones are temporary, they present serious safety risks for both drivers and road workers. Across the United States, thousands of crashes occur in work zones every year, and many of these crashes result in injuries or fatalities. In many cases, drivers are the ones injured in these crashes. However, road workers are also at significant risk because they work close to moving traffic. Maryland strictly enforces work zone safety laws for this reason. In this lesson, we will discuss how to recognize work zones, the warning signs drivers may encounter, and the safe driving practices required when traveling through construction areas. Recognizing work zones. Orange warning signs, cones, barrels, and temporary traffic control devices typically identify work zones. The color orange is used to warn drivers about construction, maintenance, or temporary traffic conditions. Common work zone signs include roadwork, ahead, lane closed, ahead, flagger ahead, detour, reduced speed limit. Drivers should begin slowing down as soon as they see these signs. Work zones may also include cones, barrels, or barriers that guide traffic through the area. These devices help separate traffic from construction workers and equipment. Drivers must follow these devices carefully and remain within the designated travel lanes. Ignoring cones or driving through barriers can place workers and other drivers in danger. Reduced speed in work zones. Speed limits are often reduced in work zones to improve safety. Drivers must obey posted work zone speed limits, even if workers are not immediately visible. Road conditions in work zones may include narrower lanes, uneven pavement, temporary lane shifts, construction equipment entering or leaving the roadway. Driving too fast in these conditions increases the risk of losing control or striking workers or equipment. In Maryland, speeding in a work zone can result in higher fines and additional penalties. These penalties are designed to encourage drivers to slow down and protect the safety of workers and other motorists. Flaggers and traffic control. Some work zones use flaggers to direct traffic. Flaggers are trained personnel who use hand signals, stop signs, or flags to control traffic flow. Drivers must obey the instructions given by flaggers. If a flagger signals you to stop, you must stop immediately. If a flagger signals you to proceed slowly, you should follow their instructions carefully. Flaggers may also direct traffic when only one lane is available for vehicles traveling in both directions. In these situations, drivers must remain patient and follow the directions provided. Ignoring a flagger's instructions can result in dangerous situations for both workers and drivers. Increased hazards in work zones. Work zones often present unexpected hazards. Drivers may encounter sudden lane changes, narrow travel lanes, construction vehicles entering or exiting the roadway, workers close to moving traffic. Changes in road surface conditions. Drivers should stay alert and prepared for sudden adjustments, as conditions may change daily. Drivers should also avoid distractions when traveling through work zones. Using a mobile phone or adjusting devices while driving can reduce reaction time and increase the risk of a crash. Maintaining full attention is especially important in construction areas. Safe driving practices in work zones. To travel safely through work zones, drivers should follow several important safety practices. First, slow down and obey posted speed limits. Second, maintain a safe following distance between vehicles. Traffic may stop or slow suddenly in work zones, and additional space allows more time to react. Third, avoid sudden lane changes or aggressive driving. Follow the path created by cones, barrels, and lane markings. Fourth, watch carefully for workers, construction vehicles, and equipment. Workers may be close to traffic and may not always be visible immediately. Finally, stay patient. Delays in work zones are temporary, but crashes can cause serious consequences. Conclusion: work zones are necessary to maintain and improve our roadways, but they require drivers to be alert and cautious. Reduced speeds, narrow lanes, and the presence of workers create conditions where careful driving is essential. Remember these key safety tips when approaching work zones. Slow down and follow posted speed limits. Obey traffic signs, cones, and barriers. Follow directions from flaggers and traffic control personnel. Remain alert for workers and construction vehicles. By driving carefully through work zones, you help protect road workers, other drivers, and yourself. Safe driving means sharing the road responsibly, even when conditions change.